Hello class, welcome to the online teaching services of St. Thomas High School, Mahua. Today, I, Richa Parekh, am here to further continue with the subject of social science for the students of class 8th. My dear students, in the last lecture, we discussed unit number 4, how traders became rulers. And today, we are going to discuss the chapter of geography, that is natural disasters. My dear students, first of all, let us study what is natural disaster. Natural disasters means the activities or the events conducted by nature which have an adverse effect on the human life or the living creatures on the earth. Such disasters are considered as natural disasters. There are two types of natural disasters. The disasters which occurs due to the inner or the interior effect inside the earth, or due to the exterior effect, that means on the surface of the earth. Let's start with the introduction part. On 12th March 2011, Krishna saw the pictures of a tsunami in newspaper. After reaching school, she asked her teacher, "Sir, I read the news about tsunami in the newspaper. How does tsunami occur?" Here is a child who saw the pictures of tsunami in a newspaper and asked her class teacher that what is tsunami and how does it occur. So in reply with the further question, the sir replied, natural disasters are of two types. Disasters like earthquake, tsunami, volcano occur due to the changes in the interior of the earth. That means the disasters which occurs due to the changes that are happening inside the earth or in the inner structure of earth, those are known as the changes in the interior, whereas the disasters like flood, cyclone, forest fire, etc. occur due to the changes on the surface of the earth. That means on the upper surface of the earth, such are known as the changes on the exterior of the earth. So here we are going to discuss each type of natural disaster in detail. My dear students, with the start of the year 2020, we witnessed many of the natural disasters such as forest fire, even cyclone, earthquake, etc. So you might be familiar with all of them, but let's study them in detail. First one is earthquake. The weak upper crust of earth suddenly experiences tremors either due to collision of plates or due to the tremendous pressure in the interior of the earth. The upper part of the surface of the earth which experiences sudden shaking either due to the movement of the plates inside the structure of earth or due to the tremendous pressure, that means due to increase in the pressure in the interior of the earth. Such a weak crust starts moving and hence it is considered as earthquake. Waves or tremors of earthquake originate from its hypocenter, which is deep below the surface of the earth. That means you can see the picture here that the movement of plates which takes place and the point through which the tremors, the point which from which the shaking of the earth or the waves or the tremors starts originating, such part is known as hypocenter. Such sudden shaking or trembling is known as earthquake. Earthquake waves are created from epicenter during the process of an earthquake. Earthquake occurs due to the internal disturbance in the earth. We saw that when the pressure inside the earth increases or due to the collision of plates, that means the movement of plates, earthquake occurs. Here is a scene of destruction due to earthquake. The waves of earthquake start spreading outwards from the epicenter. That means right from the point of origin, when the waves start moving, it moves to the exterior of the earth, and hence in the upper part of the earth crust we can feel the tremors. The point on the surface of the earth exactly above the hypocenter or focus is known as epicenter. The intensity of earthquake is felt the maximum around the epicenter. That means the point of origin from which the tremors start, the movement of the earthquake is felt maximum over there. The effects of an earthquake depend on the intensity of the earthquake. We can measure the intensity of earthquake and know its point of origin or hypocenter with the help of seismograph. That means we can measure that of how much scale the earthquake was with the help of seismograph. That means it is an instrument through which we can measure the intensity of earthquake. There are three main reasons for the occurrence of an earthquake. The first one is earthquake due to volcanic eruption. That means with the increase in the pressure when the volcano erupts in the interiors of the earth, earthquake can be experienced. Second one is earthquake caused by strike slip faults. That means due to the plates movement inside the earth. That means when the plates strike or slip from each other, hence the disturbance is caused between the surface of the earth, and it can be considered as earthquake. The third one is earthquake caused by subduction in the active subduction zone. Active subduction zones are the zones in which the earthquake occurs frequently, as the land in this region slips into mantle, and hence the movement is caused between the interiors of the earth. So my dear students, we discussed what is earthquake and how does it occur, and what is the point of origin or origin known, and how the earthquake can be measured. So dear students, stay tuned with the next lecture, because in the next lecture we are going to discuss the second type of natural disaster, that is volcanic eruption. Till then, stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.